Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at a method, a list method called index. So let's just get started. So alright, now I'll remind you there's two ways for you to look this up. So you can do dir on list or dir on our variable, get the same thing. So now let's look at help list.index. Now index is very interesting. So you take list, you call it, you give the variable. Now let's spread this out so we can see it. Alright. So it returns the first index of value, raises a value error if it's not present, and it takes in optional arguments start and stop. So what does that mean? So I read that to you. You guys are all pretty smart. You're wanting to program. Let me explain. Let me just show you what that does. So alright, here's our list. It has 2 in here twice and a bunch of numbers that aren't. So let's just run it. So we have x.index 1, of course. It's 0, x.index 2 we're looking for. We get this. Now here's what we're going to need to figure out how to handle this next time. Look for 3. There it is. But now when we look for 4, we're going to, okay, we get an error. So if we were to use this in a program, it would throw an error right now. So we need to make sure we understand how to handle that. But here, most important. So alright, 2's in here twice, right? So alright, and if we look really close, if we remember, that is a optional argument. So what does that mean? So let's see, index, let's do this again and we'll do it real slow together. Index 2, it's 1. So now let's look, x.index 2 starting point. So this is at 1, let's start at 2 and let's go forward. So let's look at this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we'd need to write a program of, we'd need to take our starting point, or we're at index last, make a starting point and then +1 to find all the others, and do a little bit of error handling. But this is the index method for list, and I just thought I'd throw this at you, and we'll experiment and learn a little bit more about how to search for numbers in a list next time. And now we know the method that we're probably going to use and what we're going to need to do when something's not present. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests below, and we will get right to them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.